How to fix call ended problem on Android. So if you are facing this problem, first and foremost, go ahead and open your phone application. From here, tap on the three dot icon at the top and go to call settings. From here, select the call bearing option of a SIM card if you have dual SIM card. Now wait for all the settings to load. Tap on cancel all if any of this is toggled on. Then for this, you have to go ahead and insert your phone code. Now once you do that, head back from here and you have to go ahead and open your phone settings. From here, go ahead and scroll down and select apps. Tap on all apps. Then tap on the three dot and tap on show system app. Search for your system toolkit. Then tap on it. Right here, go to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Do not clear storage because this will remove the data from your SIM, that is your contact number. Then head back and go to network and internet. Here, go to SIM card and mobile network. Select the SIM you are facing this issue in. Now tap on preferred network type and make sure it is in 4G. Now disable the SIM card for at least of 3 seconds and enable it back on. And this issue that you are facing must be solved. So go ahead and make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.